Problem number 5. Mrs. Zeno wants to lay out a rectangular vegetable garden parallel to her backyard fence. She has the following: A. String and anchor stakes. B. Measuring tape. C. Knowledge of the Pythagorean theorem. And D. Vegetable gardening skills. Which of the foregoing is least necessary to accomplish her objective? And the answer is D. And let's see why. First of all, let's assume that Mrs. Zeno would like her dimensions of a garden to be 32 feet long and 24 feet wide. The first thing she must do is determine what is the value, the length of the hypotenuse for a right triangle with these dimensions. And so she'd use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. And she'd go through the process and she'll find that c is 40 feet. Next step, she'll need to measure off 32 feet parallel to our fence line and put in anchor stakes. Next, she'll need 2 pieces of string. One string that's 24 feet, and she'll put it on this side. The other string, 40 feet, she'll put on this other side right here. Now, and where these two lines meet, where these two strings meet, she would put a third anchor. And so now she has half of her rectangle. Now, she has to be careful to make sure that the hypotenuse is correct, is the correct length. Because, for example, if she made it too short, cut it too short, you'd have the two strings meeting like so. And this is not a right triangle here. This is not a right angle here. This is an acute angle. And if she made the hypotenuse string too long, then this becomes an obtuse angle. Okay, so now she's got that part, and the next step is to reverse the strings. She'll put the long string, the hypotenuse string, over here, and the other string, the shorter string, here. And where these two meet, will be the other part, the other side of the rectangle. So all that's left now is to connect these 2 points, and she will have her rectangular vegetable garden all laid out. And so again, the answer is D.